Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents
back knuckle aerial, held backhand, latch handle out, safe handle in. Safe handle drops and is grabbed by your pointer finger. And from here is where you throw the aerial. Caught closed, forward grip. Right handle combo involving a Zen ricochet. Using a 4301 or another sharp valley will make you learn this a lot quicker because you will be bleeding if you mess up. It's very dangerous because you're starting off with the bite handle and you got a ricochet Zen style, so it does not touch your finger. Otherwise, if the blade did touch your finger, you will be bleeding all over the place. Start off, bite handle in hand, double flip out. Don't let it ricochet off your finger. Pointer finger comes inside. Handle will come up, grab safe handle, flip back out, double style. Casper flip aerial. Do a few Casper flips. From closed, throw static from here, from this position. Catch backhand, palm up. Backhand static throw. Bite handle on the outside, safe handle on the inside. Hold him over the bite handle, drop the safe handle, and throw right from that position. Caught again and open, backhand style. Y3K style aerial. Held in Y3K position with the latch handle in, light handle out, and done in the same style as a Y3K rollover. Firebed aerials instead.
Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com